Really, what you are doing and how you are going to change the youth. Really, I'm hats off you. I will work with the students who are to make changes of the nation. Hi, I'm Dr. Lakshmi, working as an assistant professor. I attended a very interesting, fabulous, and motivational speech has conducted by GVR sir. I mean, student will call it as GVR sir. Personally, he is a very good human being. Moreover, he is a role model to the youth, student, parents, or whatever it may be. Really, that person has some kind of vision how to change the nation by has taken a lot of illustration in his speech only. So who is the real hero? Who is the real heroine? All these things touches me a lot. And also what has taken the illustration, who is a dog and who is a lion in your life. So these are the things we have a burning inside our burning sparks, how to explore ourselves. This is the right form. 100% no change. Sir will change the nation by has taken, or we are also joining with the students who are to make changes of the nation. So first, as a human being, we have to adopt culture, how to respect elders, how to treat the parents, what is our roles and responsibility. He is also trying the students not only for earning money, he shows their responsibility, what is the contribution to the society and the nation, everything. Really, sir is the real inspirer. No doubt he can change the nation. He is having a lot of vision by changing the youth. Really, personally, I say thank you for the sir. Really, what you are doing and how you are going to change the youth. Really, I'm hats off you. I will also join to this program and I can also send my student to participate in this program. At least let them change. Change is the law of nature. Change is in the way of positive way. Thank you so much, sir.